Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we are actually moving ahead in the Windows Insider program, I had a couple of questions about it in the last few weeks, if I was still in it and what was I actually testing, and what I think about it. And also, there's a question that will be asked here for all of you guys. And I'll ask it immediately so that you know what it is. And if you want to answer, in the description below. Of all of you watching, who are still in the Insider program? So let me know if you are still in it. And what channel are you in? Are you in the release preview? Are you in the beta, in the dev, or the Canary channel? So I've sometimes wondered personally about getting out of the Insider program at some point, but I always kept in it because who knows what could happen at some point and what aspect of new features you might see. Now, I've got two machines in the Insider program. One is release preview, which my main machine is in the release preview. So I get, for example, I already have the bug fixing updates for the month because they were released a couple of weeks ago in the release preview. Also, it gave me the 23H2 for Windows 11. Now, this machine that you see here is the Insider preview for the Canary channel. So this is the one that's supposed to be the least, trustable version, the one that could have the most bugs in it. I had my share of problems over time. Not enough to reinstall or anything, but, in some of the different apps and sometimes using it, I did find some bugs here and there. But I've seen a couple of reports, and I even seen a lengthy article. I think it was on Neowin, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe it could be Windows Central, about the testimony of some users saying, you know what, I am very, very disappointed in the Canary channel because I thought it'd be something so much more interesting to test out. I have to say that when Microsoft started separating the different Insider previews and we got all these channels, I got, and it's okay that there are a couple of different channels that, one for like people that are not as tech savvy as the others, still being able to test out things, but having the least amount of problems possible. And that's fine. And it's fine to have, something that is more exciting, but that could break your system, but you're ready for it because you're an enthusiast. When they separated into release preview, beta, and dev, dev was interesting, but nothing fantastic. Then came Canary. People that didn't do anything were moving to Canary. I had the choice at some point to change that, and I let it go to Canary. And I thought, well, maybe Canary is going to be testing some really far out future new features in Windows. And I have to say, I'm also kind of wondering why is there dev in Canary? I don't understand it. I think it's two rings that are, one was enough. And it all goes back down to how the Windows Insider program has been now very boring over time, and that there's nothing really interesting in it. Even the Canary version, which is supposed to be some, we're going to test the things of the future. I don't see much future things in here. In fact, there are things in the dev channel that are not even in the Canary channel. So I don't know. I'll leave the machines there for sure because they are in, and to get out of that here, I would have to reinstall anyways. And I got no problems that, major issues that makes me not use this machine. So I'll continue to, I'm downloading the latest preview version now at 25.92. But it is sad to see that, I don't know, it's what sounded exciting is not at all. So you guys are in the Insider rings, and if you were before and you're not anymore, You could also comment. It'd be interesting to see who got out. Be interesting to see who's still in and what branch of the insider previews are you in. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.